YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You'll get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast free shipping, and they'll ship to you out pretty fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And this is coming from Elktry, PD fast charger and cable, USB-C to lightning cable, 2 meters, PD and QC fast charge 20 watts. iPhone, iPad, iPod. Got my iPad pod with me. Sorry about that. It's been a long day. And then now, that's what it looks like. So you have your iPod, and then your iPhone. You have your, what was it? iPad. So we got the iPad. So here's a quick charge cable. Got this USB and USB. This one's long, and I just got to plug this one in. My iPod is completely dead. I haven't used it in a while, so this is definitely gonna give it some reviving. Yeah, see, this thing is completely dead. So hopefully in a few seconds it'll go to green. We'll give it a minute. I forgot how to turn these things on. It's been a while since I used it, but figured might as well, especially for this video. Should be a minute or so. Hopefully it's still really dead. But right there, that's my other, there's a cable. So we're using the USB. Should make it go a little bit faster. Go Johnny go. But it works and everything, so definitely if you guys are in the market for a new fast charger cable, this is a good one to get. It's still dead, so we'll give it another minute or so and then try again. But it's been a while since I forgot how to turn these things on. Come on. There we go. That was pretty quick. So everything's good. Everything's good to turn on. And yeah. That's pretty quick though. Here we go. You can see it charging right there. So good stuff. Check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, my affiliate link will be down below. And that's about it for tonight. You guys be safe. Happy Easter to everybody. And take it easy out there. And I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. If not, I'll see you guys soon. Hit the like and subscribe button. Much appreciated. Take it easy.